Hi, I'm Rob Milam from Pack King, part of the King Group, and today we're going to have a look at our Pack King strapping machine, and I'm going to show you how to set it up because this is how it's going to arrive at your premises. Okay, let me start here.
Yep.
Firstly, we cut the straps naturally. The top pulls straight up. Covered completely with plastic film for full protection. And a cloth cover to make sure that we present it to you in perfect condition. Remove the cover. And you see that the controls, everything is ready to go. Let's take it off the pallet, show the shipping pallet there. We can just tip it back, remove it from the pallet. As you can see, it's on wheels, caster wheels, so we can move it around. So the next step with the strapping machine is to remove the operation and maintenance manual which comes with it, and it's a fully comprehensive manual showing you all the parts and how to set it up, but we're going to run through this anyway with you. So we'll put this aside for the moment, and we can see that the top comes up and latches, and you can remove the power plug, and we won't plug it in, but we'll just get it ready. So the plug is inside, ready to go. Inside here also we find a fairly small but comprehensive pack of spare parts and tools for your machine, so if ever you need to adjust it, everything is in there and it's in this pocket. So next we have to put the strapping into the machine, and the side door opens and the strapping goes in there. So we have the component parts on the floor and we have the strap facing in. So we put the whole strap reel over the spigot. We then put the top part on and making sure that it goes over comfortably. Then the spring, then the top piece which has notches in it. So as you push down, we go over that part there and bring it into the second notch, which secures the spring and the unit together. So remembering that we're facing this way, the arrow is facing this way. So what we're going to do is we put it in so that these two sections here, these two rollers, sit on the roller frame. I'll show you how this works. As we place this inside, sits on there, and you notice a brake here. Just move the brake up and allow that to sit like so. Now here's a great hot tip for you. As you saw before when we took the roll out, there is a possibility that the strapping can fall off the side of the roll, especially when it's a thin strap like 10 or 12 mil. So what you can do is you can take this off, just pull it apart, leave the string on. Just take the wrapping off Take all the brown paper off. And you'll notice that this strapping will stay on the coil because it's held with the string. Find where the strap is taped, and you see that the tape is running this way. So when we put it into the machine, it's going to run clockwise, and it's going to run from the top of the roll. So leave it as it is now. Get your two side plates, clamp them on, clamp this in, and put your top on and clip it on. Leave it all exactly like that. And when you're ready, take your scissors and cut these. That means that the roll will stay intact. Otherwise these can fall off the edges, as I say, and you will have strapping all over the floor. Don't forget also that one roll is packed in the machine, ready for you, and we fully test it several times to make sure that it's properly working before you get it. Also, the operation manual is there for you to check up on anything you need to know for the future. Shows you how the machine works, how to adjust it, how to fit the roll, how to feed it through, all the spare parts, so you can order spare parts by numbers, and the machine tells you, the program tells you exactly what you need to know about every machine. That comes with it, and you're ready to do strapping from... So next we go to the other end of the strapper, and we open the door, and we see inside here, as you put your hand up to the top, an idler roller. Now this roller here will take the strap through there, go through this part here, and come through the door. So what we want to do is to reach in and find that piece of strap that we've taped up and bring it through the idler roller like so. Remove the tape, it says here, and pass it under this roller here. Once we've got it to that point, push it through the hole in the door, close the door, and feed the strap up as per the instructions under this plate and over that roller. So keep pulling it out and pushing it up, pull it out, push up until you see the strap come through the machine and poke its head up just there. And that's the feeding system for the tape. Before we turn the machine on, I want to point out that there are several safety features here. One, it says that it's hot in here, so you're not to touch this area at all. In here you've got spinning gears and you can get your fingers caught in here, and strapping that's is also likely to cause damage. There's a single motor driving this and it's fan cooled. Now the idea of course is that when you open this top, everything stops. It's only able to be operated once all the doors and the lid is closed. This is a very important safety feature. A lot of machines don't have this. But we'll turn the machine on now by plugging it into the mains. And we go to the front panel to the power switch, switch it on. You'll hear the motor start up, and this is common, this is normal, don't worry about it. It has time to heat the sealing system and to make sure that the motor is working well. And when this dies down, it'll be ready. So it only takes half a minute and it's ready to go. This knob here gives you the amount of feed out from the strapping from this point. So once you've set that, and 1 means 1 meter, 2 means 2 meters. So we set it at 1 meter. And when we want to feed that out, we can press this button. So we have the strap fed out at the moment. We'll grab a box whilst this is still warming up. So the machine is now ready for use. We take the strap that we fed out over the carton and put it into this section here, which is the feed section. So ready to go, push in, tightens up and cuts the strap and feeds out some more film, some more strap. So if you want to feed out more, just feed it out like that. And that's the whole operation. So it's ready once it stops making a noise, and it takes a few seconds in between times you can keep going. And that's the operation. The only other thing that you need to know is there's a manual reset that if all of this jams up, the manual reset will stop everything, reverse the strap, and the machine is ready to be fed back in again with the strap, and it's ready to go. As I said, if I take this top now and I stop the machine like so. So any one of the doors will stop the machine. It's a very important safety feature. Do not put your hands inside